Okay, after you finish writing all the laws, you are going to go to a new page and give the heading Geometry, Making Angles by Paper Folding. Children, I have just written in red pen. That doesn't mean that you will also write. You are going to, as I said, you are going to use any colors, preferably blue, black or brown. You are not going to use red and green. So, after writing all the laws, you are going to give the heading Geometry and give the subheading Making Angles by Paper Folding and write number 1, that is 90 degree. So, at first I am going to show you how to make different angles using colored papers. Now children, colored papers means if colored papers means marble papers or chart papers will also do. If you don't have any colored papers, what you will do is you are going to take the white page, any white page, and just color it. That is also acceptable, right? So I am going to show you now that how to make the angles using colored papers. So at first what you will do, I have taken a circular, means from a A4 page of chart paper, I have cut out a circle. After that what I will do, I am going to fold the circular paper like this and make it into a half. Like this, I am going to make it into a half. Means it actually became a half circle. After that, so actually this is which angle formed? This is actually 180 degree formed. 180 degree angle, as you know already, that it is called the straight angle. So this is 180 degree formed. So after that what I will do is I am going to fold it once again for making 90 degree. So this is my 90 degree angle. So next you are going to do is you are going to paste this in this way. You are going to paste it like this over here and then mark over here with pencil. You are going to do, not with pen. With pencil you are going to mark 90 degree, or if possible you can use black pen so that it is visible. So you are going to mark, means just do 90 degree over here and mark A, B, C like this. Suppose if you paste it, you will write A, B and C over here, means at the end of the angle, means where the arms are ending, you are going to write that. And after that you are going to write angle. This one you can write it using pen. Angle ABC equals to 90 degree. You are going to paste it, okay? You are going to just paste it in this way. Now again take another piece of circular paper. I am showing you how to do the 45 degree. So in the same manner you are going to take the circular piece of paper, make it into half, then again make first 90 degree. So as you know children that 45 degree is the half of 90 degree. So what you will do is you are going to first make the 90 degree in this way and then again make it half. You are going to just fold it and make it half and write. Again you are going to paste it in the next page, not in the same page where you have pasted 90 degree. You are going to paste it in the next page, not in the same page. I am repeatedly telling you, will make one angle in one page, not more than one angle in a particular page. Total 3 angles have been given. So one angle you will paste in one page. So again you will go to the next page. And now again you are going to write number 2 that is 45 degree, and after that you are going to paste that 45 degree in this way, and you are going to mark this angle as 45 degree, means you can mark it with black pen as I said, so that it is clearly visible, and beneath it you will write angle ABC, or you can name it as PQR also, any name you can give, equals to 45 degree. Now I am showing you how to make. Now again you will move to the next page, as I said, one angle in one page. Now again move to the next page, you are going to make 135 degree. So for making 135 degree, what you will do, this is the, again you will take another circular piece of paper, you will make it half in this way. Now see children, actually we know that if one side is 45 degree, then another side is if one side is 45 degree, then another side is 135 degree. So what you will do is, you are going to make 45 degree on one side, means at first make 45 degree, then just try to fold it in this way. Okay, first make 90 degree in this way, now just make it half again, then you are going to open the folds and just fold it from the back side, right? So this total angle is your 135 degree. Again in the same way you are going to paste this in the new page and give the name of the angle, mark it over here 45 degree. So I hope all of you understood the method of doing the project. You are going to follow the way which I have shown. Thank you children.